Today, we're making fennel, cream, pine nuts from Greenfeast Autumn Winter by Nigel Slater. He's an award-winning journalist, author, and presenter, including winning a James Beard Award for single subject for his cookbook Ripe in 2013. He's written multiple cookbooks in his career and even had his own cooking shows. For this recipe, start by trimming the fennel. First, remove the fronds and the stalks. We like to use the fronds in pickling liquids, and the stalks are great to add to marinara and soups. Once you're to the bulb, cut a small part of the side off to make it easier for cutting. Really, you can cut fennel practically any way, but for presentation and ease of cooking, cutting crosswise is best. Next, cook the slices until they're golden brown on each side and try to keep them intact. We transferred them to a baking dish, but you can also do this entire process in an oven-proof pan. Now, make the topping. Add the torn up bread, parsley, orange zest, salt, pepper, and pine nuts to a food processor and pulse until a rough mixture forms. We opted to use pumpkin seeds as we did not have any pine nuts. Pour the cream over the cooked fennel, top with the breadcrumb mixture, and drizzle with olive oil. Bake until browned and the cream is bubbling around the edges. Fennel is often a neglected ingredient, especially in the United States. It has light notes of anise, butterscotch, and is oddly reminiscent of pizza because fennel's also in pepperonis. This dish, while remarkably simple, adds complexity through citrus notes and toasted seeds. The author suggests serving this over a potato. We opted for toasted pumpernickel bread. As always, the recipe will be in the description box below. And don't forget, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.